people. Sir, my question to the Honorable Minister is, when will the central government release the all pending dues under Monrega to the government of West Bengal?
Thank you, sir. Sir, this year we have budgeted 86,000 crores for Manrega. Out of that, 85,000 crores has been released to all the states. Give me one minute, I'll come to Bengal. When it comes to Bengal, sir, this is a particular situation. When the central government has given money, multiple things went wrong. One, there was misappropriation of the funds. Second, they have split the works and given to contractors in a nominated basis. I will give you all the right information. And we sent our audit, sir. There were total 44 works that were found to be irregularities. They have made full recovery in 34 works. Still 10 other works need to be completed. And the financial misappropriation was estimated to be 5.37 crores. Out of that, they have recovered 2.39 crores, sir. Still, some of these things have to be taken care. As soon as these things are taken care, our Honorable Minister will be sitting with their Minister of RD, local, and will resolve those issues, sir. Thank you.
Honorable Member.
सर, हम लोगों ने कितनी बार बोला, गवर्नमेंट भी बोला, जो इसे मिस एप्रोप्रिएशन के लिए बोल रहे हैं, उसको जो साझा दे रहा है वो दे दो, लेकिन गरीब लोग जो है, जो काम किया है उसको पैसा अभी रुक दिया है, उसको पैसा तो दीजिए. कोई काम नहीं किया, पैसा के लिए क्लेम किया, उसको जो करना है आइन मुताबिक वो कर लो, लेकिन जो काम किया है उसको पैसा देना चाहिए. सर, my next question है, sir, we are also how this scheme proved to be a lifeline during for rural people, COVID-19. Sir, my question to the Honorable Minister, whether the government is considering to increase the number of guaranteed work days from 100 to 150 and increase the wages and also bring priority in wages of across the states.
Manyamantri, sir, there are three questions here asked. Number one, whether the wages have been increased. Sir, ever since 2013, before 2013 and 14, there was no proper mechanism to increase the wages. Ever since, the Government of India has made CPI based on the agricultural labor annually. This came out around 6 to 7%, sir. If you look at over the last 5 years, cumulatively, we have increased the wages to 43%, sir. What that means, in state of Haryana, the highest is 374 rupees, sir. State of Kerala, state of Karnataka, close to 350 rupees, sir. The lowest wages in some of the northeastern states are around 234 rupees, sir. So the wages have been increased. That's number one. And number two, they asked the budget increase. Ever since 2020, at the time of COVID, sir, the budget estimate was 61,000 crores. However, because of the COVID, we have given 50,000 crores more money than ever in the history, sir. So that's 1,10,000 crores. Even if you look at the last 2 years, sir, budget estimate was 73,000 crores, but we have released close to 98,000 crore rupees, sir. So there is no question of not releasing the money and not increasing the money, sir.